welcome to my channel Ritika's World. I'm Ritika. First of all, thank you so much for all who subscribe my channel. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make very delicious ice cream with just 3 ingredients. The ingredients that we're going to use are heavy whipped cream, powdered sugar, and mango pulp. I'm using instant mango pulp, but you could also use a freshly made mango pulp. So let's get started. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!